Sola, whatever happens, we're with you.
The forest is responding. It's choosing her.
Guys, this is starting to feel scary.
Energy spike incoming.
Whatever comes, I will crush it.
A distortion is forming. Help!
You cannot stop inevitable power.
Watch me.
Krakum.
This is too much.
VROM.
Not giving up.
Let us flow through you. Yemalud, the forest glows, fully restored.
You saved this world. I stand with you now.
Finally, we're done.